Stepping back over here because those 4 banks of escalator there is down. They're not running. There's no flashing light to show that there is a problem in that direction. I think there should be like a red and green, or even a red, green, and amber light to show that there is a interruption of service, should we say. But luckily that there is an exit that's been opened there just recently also. This one was open when the station originally opened. And then there is another exit there, exit entrance there. But that just entails 1 escalator. That's 4 escalator that's out there. But at that end, where that exit entrance just recently opened, there is 4 escalators there. Yeah, so some of the guys who have that burst of energy, most of them, they have that burst of morning energy, is still going up the
escalators on the south end of the station are out of service. Please use the elevators on the very south end, or the escalators on the north end to enter or exit the station.
Yeah, so guys like that with their tools gotta get an escalator to go out there. People with their luggage. Yeah, so they have a choice there, and most of them probably don't even know that that entrance exit is open down there. But it's interesting that in past entrance exit of the station by me, I've noticed that the escalators always run in a 2-2 configuration, 2 going up, 2 coming down. And I've never seen a change in those that have been open for the longest. That's how.
Ladies and gentlemen.
But this is one of the brand new stations, and there are still things that has to be worked out when you have so much machinery going into service or remaining in service. But I think, along with the announcement that you hear going off ever so often, there should be even an amber.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen. Attention, ladies and gentlemen. Escalators on the south end of the station are out of service. Please use the elevators on the very south end or the escalators on the north end of the station to enter and exit.
So this is the north end, and this is the part of the station that I was talking about that just opened. And like I said, it is here that it's running in a 2-2 configuration. 2 going up, 2 coming down. Even though there is hardly anyone coming into the station. So with those down there being out, it's possible, or to my observation, that this should be changed. Be able to pick up the slack, should we say, by running 3-1 configuration. Yeah. So it's still running a 2-2, you know, and they possibly can run it. I'm not even going to speculate anymore, but it's Thursday, September 30th, 6:30 in the morning, when most of these guys are going to work. You see, the amber there is indicating where, with the dash, is indicating where you cannot enter. And the green arrow there is telling you that it's safe to enter these. So those lights down there are correct, we would say, with the amber and the green. But now, and they still got the same amber here telling you not to enter. But here, you have red indicating where you should enter. I don't understand that. It should be green like the ones down there, but it isn't. But this is the end of the station that just recently opened. Nice circular station. And you know, one thing that gets me when I'm underground traveling, I get disoriented and I can't tell you where is east, west, north, or south. In this circular-like design, I think there should be an indication of true direction. Some kind of a compass. Yeah, we got a circular design there. But we're dealing with safety this morning and added exercise.
Ladies and gentlemen, escalators on the south end of the station are out of service. Please use the elevators on the south end or the escalators on the north end to enter and exit the station.
So this is the northern part of the station that just opened. And like I said, there's a four escalator there that's running a 2-2 configuration, even though there's an emergency. And then there are three escalators there and one steer. Yeah, that's a steer there. Then you have three escalators. You see how that's running? 2-1. Out. And the circle continues over there. So even though you have that shut down the escalator, you got very few people utilizing this side. And got those red arrows going down. We got a few guys going on. So now you see they got station porters there telling everyone that those escalators are out. And everyone is crowding to this side when there are four escalators down there for whatever reason. Maybe their work site is closer this way. So you got two escalator, one escalator and two elevator here. So usually in the morning they have that choice of those four escalators in the middle. This one down here in two elevator and recently opened at the northern end is a bank of four traveling two up, two down. But it looked like most are choosing to use this one. Came over here, try to wait for the elevator, and they're moving so slow that they changed their mind.